Okay, so today we've got this vegan condensed milk. I'm going to try and make a banoffee with this. We're going to see what it's like. I'm going to pop it in the steamer for an hour and a half. Let's see. Our vegan sitting in a steamer. There we go. I'm going to give that an hour and a half until it's all nice and toffee. Now been steamed. It remains intact, which is a bit worried about the top. Okay. So we've cooked our vegan condensed milk. So that's our colour. So we're going to compare this. So you can see I've given this a good hour and a half to 2 hours. So it's quite, the colour's there, but the gloopiness isn't. So we have our normal one here. As you can see, this one has been the same, but this is the standard milk, okay? And this one is the shop one that you can buy that's already done. So you can just paste over your banoffee. However, I will say, this is made from oat milk and rice, so it tastes a bit like caramelised rice pudding, just got that backing. So yeah, really nice, quite a good alternative. So we're going to give that a little taste again. Yeah, rice pudding, I'd say. Cheers, follow me for more.